Frank Wyatt Prentice was a whose invention is similar in nature to Nikola Tesla's wireless power transmission. Nikola Tesla's invention was born in 1901, earlier than Frank Wyatt Prentice's in 1923. However, there is no citation of Tesla in Frank Wyatt Prentice's patent. Several other inventions on radiant energy and free energy from the 1940s to the 1970s of the last century are also similar in nature to Nikola Tesla's invention. For example, Moray's radiant energy generator, Edwin Gray's cold electricity radiant energy can all be found in Tesla's documents. This raises doubts about Tesla's true history. In addition, many world history researchers also doubt the existence of Nikola Tesla. I have several articles searching for the truth about Tesla, which can be found by the title, Tartaria, Is Nikola Tesla Fiction? Summary of the investigation of the book My Inventions, The Autobiography of Nikola Tesla, 1919, or the title 3 Nikola Tesla. It is possible that at least 3 people existed who were Nikola Tesla. Frank Wyatt Prentice's technology is actually transmitting electricity wirelessly through an antenna, then lowering the voltage and converting the frequency for use. The device is called the pulse antenna system. The important thing is that the output energy of this device is 6 times greater than the input energy. The free energy, Overunity, that existed in Frank Wyatt Prentice's technology also existed in Nikola Tesla's technology. We can make this free energy device with the instructions I presented under the title Exploiting Radiant Energy on Electrical Conductors, Free Energy from Electrical Circuits. What is reported about the mysterious death of Nikola Tesla suggests a possibility to consider that John G. Trump, Donald Trump's uncle, Nikola Tesla, the Office of Alien Property, and Donald Trump, now, are all allies of the aliens. According to this inference, the wireless power transmission technology with free energy may be compiled from another world beyond the ice shelf. Aliens are objects about which we know little, if anything. However, our own biological characteristics suggest that we may be aliens. According to David Ewing Jr.'s historical investigation, humans are aliens who fell here, and they originally ate clay. This can be seen when the human body craves clay. Some children may naturally develop worms despite the fact that their food has been cleaned. The Quran also mentions another group of people who came to replace them. The history in the Quran is actually the history of the Royal Society and other creatures, including the jinn and other mysterious creatures, and there is not much history of people who eat dirt as. However, the characteristics and appearance of the slaves who ate dirt are similar to the appearance of the people in the Royal Society who ruled the world more than 500 years ago. For more details on this, see the following article. Nikola Tesla's wireless power transmission is possible, free energy.